Do you want to make the man of your dreams yours? If the answer to this question is yes, then you've clicked on the right video. In this video, I'll tell you 4 secret ways by which you can make the man of your dreams yours. Give a like to this video and subscribe to Psychology Wisdom channel with the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 1. His secret obsession. What is his secret obsession? It's a popular new relationship book by James Bauer. What does this book offer? In this book, James reveals the secrets that every man craves, beyond love, beyond money. The crazy part is that there's a secret obsession to win a man's love, affection, and lifelong commitment. Shockingly, hardly any woman knows about it. Those who do usually keep it a secret because when you grasp it, you'll ignite such an intense desire within the man of your dreams, making you his top priority for life. To me, it's an amazing book, truly helpful for women, particularly those struggling in love. It might just be your secret key to unlocking your man's heart. With pure intentions, this knowledge can be used to enjoy a fulfilling, happy life with your partner. Have you been longing to find and hold on to the man of your dreams? Or perhaps you seek a way to win back the one you desire for marriage and a lifelong partnership. If so, then it's time to get your hands on James Bauer's masterpiece, His Secret Obsession. Why trust this book? You are not alone. Many women have bought it and say that they have gotten a lot of help from this book. In fact, they got their uninterested partners back. And if you feel that you're not satisfied with this book after purchasing it, you can also get a 60-day money-back guarantee. I know you keep watching YouTube videos every now and then on how to make your dream guy fall in love with you. What if you don't waste your time on these YouTube videos and invest in something that has answers to all your questions? Haven't you opened the description yet? What are you waiting for? Go to the description and grab your copy. Let's end this point here and move on to our next step. Number 2. Show your best self. Science says your best self truly matters. It's about showing your brightest personality traits, good looks, and actions. How can you show your best self? In life, we all aim to be our best, at work, in love, and for personal growth. So how can you, as a woman, show your best self? Here are some easy steps. Step 1. Personal style. Your personal style impacts how others see you and boosts your confidence and self-esteem. It's more than clothes. It involves grooming, body language, and even home design. Your unique style silently expresses confidence, originality, and attention to detail. Your style shows who you are and what matters to you. Studies show that people judge based on appearance. A distinct, well-maintained style leaves a lasting impression, changing how others approach you in work, social, or romantic situations. Improving your style starts with knowing yourself, your body shape, the colors that suit your skin tone, and confidence boosters. Build a strong wardrobe foundation with high-quality classic pieces and add trendy items to keep it fresh. Find inspiration in blogs, magazines, and social media. Adapt fashion trends to fit your character and taste. Don't forget grooming. It is vital for personal style. Regular skincare and hair care routines greatly improve your looks. Mind your posture and body language because they're powerful signals of confidence and poise. Step 2. Confidence and upbeat attitude. Confidence and a lively attitude are powerful traits that make a significant impact on others. They change how others see and treat you. Your confidence and positive energy deeply influence how other people, guys or anyone, see you. When you show self-confidence and optimism, your guy feels attracted to you. Studies agree that these traits are attractive. Your upbeat attitude inspires him because it shows resilience and infectious happiness. Ways to improve confidence and upbeat attitude. First, practice self-affirmation. Second, set and reach small, doable goals. Third, exercise regularly. Fourth, Meditate. Step 3. Impactful talking. Impactful talking can greatly influence people, especially men. Research proves this. Many studies explore the brain's role in meaningful talking. For example, fMRI scans show that emotional talks trigger our brain's pleasure areas, releasing chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin. This makes us feel good, strengthens bonds, and reduces stress. Besides the brain effects, great talks help in personal growth. Men gain self-awareness and emotional intelligence through deep discussions. Have you ever had such discussions with men? It's a wonderful way to learn important lessons and can significantly boost their decision-making, resilience, and empathy. Number 3. Create a connection. If you want to make your dream guy fall in love with you, you need to create a connection with him. How do you connect with him? Here are some tips. Tip 1. Create shared memories. Creating shared memories is a powerful way to connect with others. Science supports this idea. As we share moments, our emotional ties get deeper. Psychology shows that shared experiences release oxytocin, the love hormone. This hormone is key to building trust and connection. Neuroscience reveals that sharing activities makes our brains sync in specific areas, creating unity and deeper understanding. Tip 2. Encourage his time and energy. Encourage him to invest time and energy in you. Show genuine interest in his thoughts and feelings. Discuss important matters, listen closely, and offer emotional support. Share your own experiences to make conversation a two-way street. Tip 3. Share your thoughts and opinions. Sharing your thoughts and opinions boosts communication and helps build a deep connection. Honest communication builds trust and connects him deeply with you. By opening up and sharing your heart and mind, you show vulnerability, encouraging him to do the same. And let's move on to our next step. Number 4. Maintain a meaningful, satisfying connection. You've built a connection with him and successfully made him your partner. But one thing you need to know is how to maintain a meaningful, satisfying connection. So here are some tips to maintain a meaningful, satisfying connection. Tip 1. Stay interesting and interested in each other. To keep a solid bond with a guy, it's crucial to stay intriguing and invested in one another. Nurture your own hobbies, as they make you captivating and add depth to your talks. Be genuinely eager to learn about his interests, aspirations, and life moments. Tip 2. Cook and eat together. Cooking and enjoying meals with your partner is a delightful way to create special moments. These shared moments solidify your bond. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, remember to press the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.